Hi, thanks for joining me today to make this lovely easy fruit loaf. In the bowl I've got 8 ounces of self-raising flour and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. You can also use cinnamon. I'm going to just stir that in so the spice mixes in well with the flour. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. I'm adding a half cup of condensed milk. You just want to scrape the inside just to get it all in. And 1 large egg. This is a free range egg. So I'm just mixing it up a little, just with the fork, and then just adding that in. And this is a lovely mincemeat. So 1 jar is roughly just over 400 grams. So just a jar of sweet mincemeat. This has got brandy in it, which gives it a lovely rich taste. And this is half a cup of cold tea. You want to let the tea bag sit in it for quite a while and let it cool down, so it's a lovely strong cold tea. And then you just stir it together. So this is a traditional loaf that we would eat in the UK or Scotland. It's called either a tealoaf or a fruit loaf. But the classic tea loaf has cold tea in it and there isn't any fat. Now there is a little fat in your mincemeat, but classic tea loaves don't include a margarine or butter or oil. But they do have quite a lot of sugar, so although they're low in fat, there is some sugar in them. So you just mix it together and you see how quick this is, and that's your consistency. So it's quite a soft batter, and I've got just a tin with a liner in it. Now these liners are very good. You can get them in most shops and they just make it so much easier, but you can obviously just either grease and flour your tin or use regular greaseproof paper. And then you want to pop this into a hot oven at 180 centigrade, and it does take quite a while to cook. It takes between 30 to 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. But you do have to wait until the centre is cooked through thoroughly. If it starts to brown, you can add some tin foil to the top in the second half of the cooking, and this will prevent it from burning. So you see a lovely golden brown colour. And it's a lovely texture, it's quite moist, and it goes really well with butter. So I hope that you've enjoyed the video and you can subscribe. Thank you.